what's up guys? John here, and in today's lesson I'm going to teach you how to play Seven Nation Army by the White Stripes. I'm going to show you a super easy version first that you can basically just do with one finger if you're just starting. And then we're going to fatten up the sound a little bit by adding a power chord to what we've learned. There's two parts to this song, a riff and a chorus. We're also going to learn a little variation on the riff. Before we get into the lesson, make sure you hit the thumbs up button and leave a comment below. Thank you so much for your support. Any engagement on the video really helps out our channel. I'm giving you this information 100% for free. It just takes a millisecond. Just click that button. All right, there we go. Let's get into it. If we start off with the easy version of playing the main riff, it's all on one string, the A string. It sounds like this. We're going to start out with our first finger on the 7th fret of the A string. So you should be right on your fret marker. You're going to do a down pick on that note. And the whole riff, we're going to use down picks. So we're going to go down, down, 2 on 7 there. Then we'll reach up with our pinky and play the 10th fret of that same string, then back to 7. So it's 7, 7, 10, 7. Then we're gonna move down to 5, 5, 3, 2. So it's 7, 7, 10, 7, 5, 3, 2. That's the main riff. All down picks. The chorus goes like this. Back to the riff. So it's really just eighth notes. We're going to shift up a string now to the low E string. We're going to play the 3rd fret for 1 bar of eighth notes. We're going to go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and, or 8 down picks. Then we'll move up to 5 and do the same thing, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So the chorus is 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and then we go back to the main riff. Now there is a little variation that you can do to the main riff that would sound like this. So what I did there was play 7, 7, 10, 7, 5. This time we'll go 3, 5, 3, 2. So instead of da, 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 we're gonna go da, 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 dee, da, da. At the end of the tune, you can hear it ends with 4 times through this riff, but it alternates. So the first time you go da, 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 normal version. And then the variation. Normal, then the variation. Then when we end the tune, we just hit a low E, hold it for 2 bars, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then it's just stopping the sound, you know, classic rock ending. You can hit an E chord or just hit the E note again and then mute it. So here's the last 4 times through the riff. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, ba, 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 ba. Then the variation. Then the original. Then the variation. And 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now if we want to fatten this up a little bit, you can do one of 2 things. You can either play a power chord or even a full bar chord. So let me show you those. If we start off with a power chord, it'll sound like this. Again, all down picks, but instead of just playing 7, I'm going to add my 3rd finger to the 9th fret of the string right beneath it, the D string. So I've got 7 and 9. And we're gonna basically keep that shape the same with 1 fret between our fingers. This is called a power chord for all the notes. So it's gonna go. As opposed to just with the chord. If you want to make it sound even bigger, you can play a full bar chord, which would sound like this. So now I'm laying that 3rd finger down. It's like how it was with the power chord, but the 3rd finger is going to lay flat and cover the D, the G, and the B strings on the 9th fret. And then we're going to repeat that for each root note. So. Then of course we can go to the chorus and do a power chord as well. Alright, you guys, well, I hope this lesson helps you out and gives you some tips on playing this song. Make sure you subscribe to our channel. We've got new videos dropping every week. Guitar lessons, tips, covers, and gear reviews. My name's Jon MacLennan. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.